Hey guys, welcome back to RMA Garage. In this video, we're going to be cleaning fork seals. The fork seals were not leaking as we thought they were, but there was a lot of dirt in there, and we want to just make sure that for our next ride that they don't leak. So we're going to be using a fork seal cleaner. We're going to be using some suspension clean and some rags and some Q-tips so we can get this ready to go for our next ride. First thing we're going to do is spray the lower shock with some suspension clean so we can get the dirt and grime off the bottom. All right, so that's most of the dirt. Now we're going to drop the dust seal. Okay, so the next step is going to be just to start cleaning off between the dust seal and the fork seal, and just cleaning up right in this area with a rag. All right, so we have the fork seal cleaner here, and there's actually two different blades, I guess if you want to call them. This smaller blade is for the actual fork seal. This larger blade is for the dust seal, so it's a little bit bigger. And what we're going to do is use that next, and we're going to drag that inside the dust seal. And what you want to do is you want to go backwards into it first, so you don't tear any of the rubber. Okay, and then you can either spin the dust seal or spin the cleaner. We choose to spin the dust seal just because it's easier. If we had the fork guards off, we'd probably just spin. Now you can see, obviously, it dragged a bunch of dirt out from between the dust seal and the shock. So we're going to clean that off and then do another pass. We're going to keep doing passes until it completely comes clean. So the next thing we're going to do is spray the suspension clean up underneath where the fork seal is, and we're going to clean it with a rag. All right, that looks good. Rag clean? The rag is clean. So now what we're going to do, just for good measure, is we're going to run the fork seal cleaner one time around, just to make sure that there's no dirt up underneath there. And what you do is you drag it backwards first until it gets up underneath the seal. Okay, so some of the oil did come out, but it looks fairly clean, and there doesn't seem to be any dirt along that ridge. So the next thing we're going to do is put grease around the fork tube. And I've been using a little bit more than usual. This is the multi-purpose grease made by Yamalube. It's red. And it's just basically their lithium soap-based grease that we use. So what Ryan is doing, he's caking it around pretty good. And what we have found is that this grease is a bit hydrophobic, which means that it kind of repels water a little bit. So what we're going to do is put a heavy dollop, I guess, around the fork tube. And what that does is that builds up between the dust seal and the fork seal, and it prevents the water and the dirt from going up. We did that the last time we put these on, and the fork seals didn't leak. So we're hopeful that this is kind of a little bit of a a trick that might keep the dirt and the mud from getting up underneath. Okay, so then the next thing is just put the dust seal back up. And basically push it back into place. And there you have it. We'll just wipe off the excess and we're done. That's it for cleaning the fork seals. It's really simple. It's not that difficult. And of course it was raining today, so we figured we'd do something fun with the bikes even though it was raining. Hopefully our riding spot isn't getting too muddy. Because when there is mud, that is when we have issues with our fork seals. So we like to keep them clean, and it's a whole lot faster to just take 15-20 minutes to do the fork seals than it is to take an hour or two to completely disassemble the shocks and redo them. So if you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell so you won't miss our next episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. All right, I guess we can clean up now. We're all done. What? Why are you smirking? You're not making faces when I'm doing my thing, are you?
No.
Okay.